Dry ice demo. Locate your closest dry ice dealer. Praxair, a large manufacturer of dry ice, has offices in most major cities across North America. It is normally available in two formats, broken chunks or large bricks. Typically, 10 pounds will last 24 to 36 hours. Bring a cooler to the dry ice store. A standard size cooler with a tight-fitting lid, such as this stainless steel cooler, is best for trade shows. If you plan on doing this often, or traveling long distances and space is an issue, find a small, soft-shelled, well-insulated 6-pack cooler, such as this one. Once the dry ice is packed into the bottom of your cooler, get a metal baking pan or pie tray and lay it flat on the ice. Cover the bottom of the baking pan with 1/4 inch of water, then shut the lid on the cooler. We recommend metal because glass and plastic plates tend to shatter. Get 2 small white plates or bowls, or a double-sided dish such as this one, and fill them with 1/2 cup of Eco-Traction. Add a little water to one of the dishes to demonstrate that Eco-Traction changes to a dark green color when wet. Eco-Traction works by absorbing the thin layer of water on ice. When it turns dark green, you know it's active. Now for the tricky part, replicating winter conditions indoors. Regular ice, even in a cooler, will melt and become too wet for the Eco-Traction to stick. The effect we are looking for is the same as licking a metal pole on a really cold day. We want the Eco-Traction to stick to the ice immediately. Do not put Eco-Traction on dry ice. It will burn you. The frozen water tray, however, is safe to handle, although it will also be very cold. Once the water is frozen, pull out the ice tray and toss a small pinch of wet Eco-Traction. It's very important to use pre-wet Eco-Traction or it won't immediately stick. Do not over-apply. A little is all it takes. Less is more. 1 cup will cover 144 square feet, the size of an average car parking space. Using dry ice to freeze water will result in ice that is very cold and very dry. By using pre-wet Eco-Traction, you are guaranteed that the Eco-Traction will stick to the ice every time. Have the prospective client rub the Eco-Traction on the ice with their hand. Let them feel how the Eco-Traction grabs into the ice and turns an otherwise slippery surface into a high-traction, sandpaper effect, anti-slip zone.